Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is hovering still around this $208 level, which is or has been the first ideal target for this internal third wave in yellow. I'm just watching for evidence that a pullback is starting, but as I said, it would minimally take a break below $194 and roughly $194.50. We're going to zoom in a minute to take a look at or to consider to confirm rather that a top has formed locally, at least, right? Overall, when a pullback happens, it wouldn't be bearish, at least not from the current perspective. I would see it as an opportunity because there will be support levels that we can watch. They start at $186.81. That would be a very shallow pullback. And they end at $148.69. That would be a very deep pullback. Below that level, I would have to say, yeah, the pullback is deeper than expected. For now, however, idea would be that the price will find support in somewhere in this range, but this can only be a confirmed support area once we get some indications that actually a top has formed. Yeah. All I can say at the moment, the price has arrived at a crossroads. We're at a juncture. We might start a pullback from here. There's definitely, no sign of a pullback at this stage. So we might still see further direct upside extensions. Yeah. And if we see further direct upside extensions, and we know that, we just know that, we don't want to confirm a top too early. Okay. Not even a local top. Therefore, I give you the key levels that need to break first to indicate that a top has formed. Now, of course, it takes some movement for support to break, so that we can say, okay, maybe that pullback is unfolding now. But until we break below that level, there's literally nothing that would suggest we've topped. The only thing is that the wave count to the upside, at least in the yellow scenario, is full. Well, that doesn't mean it has to pull back, right? The market can easily extend higher. The trend is still up. We're still forming higher highs and higher lows for now. So as long as the trend is up, there's no reason to fight the trend right now. There's absolutely no reason to fight the trend. It's clearly still up. So it typically makes sense to stay in the trend as long as it's easy to do so. And as long as we're holding even above the last swing low, focus is on higher. But what I want to highlight is if we push higher directly, 229 USD is the next upside target. And the support regions here, they would move up with the price. They would have to be adjusted with the price higher, which means, the upper support area will go up. The lower support area will go up. So at the moment, they are just moving support areas. And there are two wave counts. One allows for a direct upside continuation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In Elliott wave, we're always looking for the 5-wave pattern. In this case, the price shouldn't break below 165.40, and we'd like to see a move down to at least 186.80. Now, if we're dealing with the yellow count, the price will likely break below 165.40. But if the yellow count is unfolding, the price should not break below 148.69. So these are the two key support levels I want to communicate to you. And if we zoom in a little bit further, well, you can see there has been a small reaction, but I can tell you it doesn't really look weak. So this might still extend higher. This again might just be another 1-2 setup or so, which is why I highlight, look, we have a significant swing low here, which was the wave 4, and extensions are always possible until we break below that swing low. And it's not even such a meaningful swing low. More relevant is the one below, which at the moment is located at 185.90. But for now, as you can see, there's been a small pullback, but it doesn't really have much structure, so nothing really to work with. We're pushing higher. But if this is now a lower high and then we form a lower low, break the red line, definitely worth watching if this was the top. But overall, looking good for Solana. Again, 229 will be the next upside level to watch, and pullbacks can be an opportunity in the current market. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.